Hey guys, what's up? I know I haven't done a cover in a long time, so hopefully this cover you guys will enjoy. Yeah. So here goes Blessings by Laura Story, and it's a short cover like always. And so hope you guys enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe, rate. Yeah, doesn't really matter. But yeah, here it goes. We pray for blessings, we pray for peace, comfort for family, protection while we sleep. We pray for healing, for prosperity. We pray for your mighty hand to ease our suffering. All the while, you hear each spoken need. Your love is way too much to give us lesser things. 'Cause what if your blessings come through raindrops? What if your healing comes through tears? What if 1,000 sleepless nights are what it takes to know you're near? What if trials of this life are your mercies in disguise?